times of emotional distress, remember to practice self-compassion and seek support from loved ones. Acknowledging your feelings is the first step towards healing. Allow yourself to experience and process them. Just like physical wounds, emotional wounds require care and attention. Be gentle with yourself. Practice mindfulness to stay present and grounded. Focus on the here and now to find peace within. Reach out to a mental health professional if you need additional support. Your mental well-being matters. Remember, it's okay not to be okay. Emotions are a natural part of being human. You are not alone in this. Practice self-care rituals that nurture your mind, body, and soul. Prioritize your well-being. Surround yourself with positivity and kindness. Create a safe space for your emotions to be expressed. Embrace vulnerability as a strength, not a weakness. It takes courage to show your true emotions. Remember, healing is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and trust the process.